Alright, so in this video, we're going to review the questions from Bowling Quiz 1. Remember, you only have to review the questions that you got wrong, but you can also listen to the explanations for any of them. Alright, so for the first question, it says 1 serving of Mike's crackers has 150 calories and a mass of 30 grams. How many calories are in 6 grams of crackers? Anytime we're trying to compare two different things and find a missing quantity, the easiest way to do it is to set up a proportion. 150 over 30. And I'm going to put a little C here so I know that that's calories and a G here for grams. Now, I also have the information of 6 grams. Well, grams are on the bottom, so I'm going to put 6 and a little G here, and then I have my X. And then you can solve it using fishy or one-step equation. So we're going to go like this. So we're going to do 6 times 150. That's going to give me 900. 900 divided by 30, and that's going to give me 30. My answer is D. There are 30 calories in 6 grams. All right, the second question. The ratio of nitrogen to potassium in a sample of soil is 12 to 9. Right here, this tells me I have a ratio because that's what ratios look like. The sample has 36 units of nitrogen. How much potassium does the sample have? So this right here is the first part of my proportion, 12 to 9. Again, I'm going to put a little N here for nitrogen and a P here for potassium. It gives it to you in order, nitrogen to potassium, nitrogen to potassium. Now for the second part of my proportion, it only tells me 36 of nitrogen. Nitrogen's on the top, 36 goes here, and then my X goes here. And you can solve by cross multiplying and doing one-step equation, or you can circle your variable and make a fish. So you have 36 times 9, and that's going to give you 324 divided by 12, and that's going to give you 27, which is B. All right, next question. I see fractions here, and remember, automatically, if you see fractions and they freak you out, change them to decimals. To clean a tank, 3/4 cup of disinfectant is needed for every 2 gallons of water. So again, we're talking about two different things. Disinfectant, which is like soap, and water. How many cups of disinfectant are needed for 20 gallons of water? This is a proportion question. I don't like fractions. I'm going to cross out 3/4, and I know that that's 0.75. I'm going to make a proportion, 0.75 over 2, because this is disinfectant and this is water. Now for the second part of my proportion, how many cups of disinfectant are needed for 20 gallons of water? Well, water's on the bottom. And so I need to figure out this value right here. Circle my X, and I'm going to make a fish. So 20 times 0.75, that's going to give me 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Which one of these represents 7.5? A, because 1/2 is 0.5. All right, for the next question, a laundry detergent is sold at 4 stores. Here are the 4 stores. Which store has the lowest price per ounce? That should scream to you unit rate. Okay? Money always on top. Let's find the unit rate of each one of these. We're going to do 6.50 divided by 60 ounces. It's going to give you a large decimal. Don't round in case they're close. Just take them like 3 or 4 digits out. The next one, 5.50 divided by 54 ounces. The next one, 5.61 divided by 48 ounces. And then the last one, 4.50 divided by 40 ounces. Now, which one is the lowest? Well, They all start with 1, and then I have 0, 0, so I'm going to get rid of these 2. 0, 0, 8, and 1. This right here is the lowest. Dawn's store has the best deal. Alright, last one. A company that makes boxes finds that 3 out of 20 boxes are damaged. 3 out of 20. What percent of the boxes are damaged? All it wants you to do is make this a percent, okay? So 3 divided by 20 gives you 0.15, and the way you change that to a percent is you move the decimal 2 spots and make it a percent, and that's going to give you 15%. All right, that is the end of the first quiz. Best of luck on the next one.